So today I will discuss about how to apply for freelancing jobs. So if you have experience already in some areas, so you can start applying for freelancing opportunities. There's number of freelancing sites available for testing, manual testing process, or even for automation testing. Some of the top freelancing sites are like Upwork.com, then Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, and TrueLancer.com. So you can go and visit many of these sites. So you can create your profile and you can build your skill set, and then you can start applying for jobs. Right? This freelancing works if you know the area you are working on. Like if you are good at manual testing, only apply for manual testing. So if you are good at automation testing, you can apply for automation testing. So you can search for related jobs and then start applying. So I'll go through the step-by-steps of how to apply for jobs in freelancing. Later on, I will show you my process, how I apply, and how you can land in good projects using freelancing. So what are the steps for applying jobs in freelancing? Like first thing is you need to create profile in any of these freelancing sites. So you can start with one first and then create a profile, complete the profile, and then you can use that same profile and create in different websites. Right? Here are the steps. So once you have your profile ready, so you can apply for jobs, right? So first thing is you need to search for jobs you are interested. Suppose you are looking for manual testing, search for web testing, mobile testing, right? Something like that. If you are interested in automation, you can do like Selenium, search jobs on Selenium, you can search those jobs. So once you find a suitable project, job description, so you can apply for the job with a cover letter, like stating your skills and similar projects you worked on. So I added a sample cover letter for manual testing, right, and sample cover letter for automation testing. Don't copy this as it is, change it as per your experience, and you can update it. Right, once you apply for the job, so once client likes your profile, he will respond to your request and ask questions related to your skills, and tells you about project requirement. So clearly tell what you can do and understand the project requirements, which is very important. So once clients is happy with your profile, so you will award a project. So project can be awarded on hourly rate or fixed bid rate. So hourly rate means you're going to get paid by hourly, and fixed bid means paid once the project is complete. Right? If you are a manual tester, normal hourly rates will be from $5 to $10. Because you are beginning, and if you are automation tester, you can start from $8 to $12, right? So for fixed bid projects can vary. So in the beginning, you can start applying for projects from $5 to $100, right? So once you have completed some small projects, you can start bidding for higher projects. Right, initially you should start bidding for small projects so that you get a chance of getting the job, right? So once the job is awarded, just complete it on time and get a rating for your job. So you can also ask questions related to job to the project team during these job, and also you can talk to developers working in the project to clarify any questions you have on the project. So this is the general process for freelancing. We can just start repeating the same process again and again to get more projects on freelancing platforms. So let me show you how I generally apply for projects on Upwork and how you can start applying same on various other platforms as well. Like the same process will be applicable on other platforms. So here is the upwork.com. So if you go to upwork.com, show you. Right, so this is upwork.com. So there is a get started demo. You can watch this demo, how it works, right? So in the Upwork, there's different categories, right? Web, mobile, software development, design and creative, writing skills, sales and marketing, admin support. So these are various jobs available. Customer support, data science, engineering and architecture. So if you are in the testing part, so it's mostly in web, mobile and software development. So you find testing jobs posted in this category, right? Then you can sign up using the sign up button. So you can just sign up with the email and you can start filling your profile, right? You can profile. So I'll just show you my profile, how it is done. So you can follow that same process. And remember to put only your information. Don't try to create any fake profiles or anything like that. So this is my profile. I'll show you my profile. Right, QA automation professional, and let us see the public profile. So this is you can so in the beginning. So if you are a manual tester, you can just put like $5 per hour, and you can put your description, like what is your experience details and what is your skills in the beginning, in the profile. Then this is work history. You don't need to worry about that. This is the projects I completed, right? So in the beginning it will be empty. So you can go to so there will be edit button to add more details. Let me show you profile settings. So you can put like your first name, last name, what project you are preferring, what is your experience level, right? What is your experience level, what categories you are interested, right? Any of your Facebook accounts, right? All this data, your contact information. So once you put up your skills and all, so let me show you how to find jobs, right? So here there is a section for finding jobs, right? How to find jobs. Let's say you are interested in manual testing, say QA, right? You can do search for QA. So here, the QA tester for demanding e-commerce site. So this job is 3 to 6 months, 30 plus hours experience, and QA software for testing project with opportunity for long term. So this is an hourly project, right? They pay like $10 to $25, but so you can see like so experience level, intermediate, expert. So they are looking for experts here, intermediate level. So if you are looking for entry level, so there is experience level here, entry level, intermediate, expert, hourly rate, fixed price, number of proposals, and all that. So if you are entry level, just click on the entry level projects. Right, you're starting. So this is entry level, right? So here is a manual QA for advanced SaaS application or QA tester. Let's look at this QA tester. So they are looking at entry level. So we are looking at QA tester primarily focused on human-driven testing at this point. But this is like manual testing. We are looking for a tester willing to work next week or two with work in the features needed. So this probably 2 weeks work. So ideal candidate will attempt to break the application with creative data organization, documentation of bugs and issues, and intelligent interpretation of problems. So this is the requirement. So this is basically manual testing requirement, right? So these are some of the questions. When you apply for, you need to answer these questions. Why should we hire you, right? So you can specify what is your skills and what you can do, what is the past projects or job you had that is most likely this and why. So you can say like similar projects that you already handled before. So this is some of the expertise required, right? A desktop application testing, web testing, right? API testing, quality assurance, deliverables, bug tracking and report, test execution, right? So it's a very small company, and you can have experience on some of these tools. Some, not all of them. You don't need experience in all of them. Even if you know one of them, that's good. So manual testing frameworks, Postman, manual tests like usability, end-to-end, beta, alpha, functional, sanity testing, user acceptance testing, all that. This is the skills required by the uh, client, right? So when you're applying, you can mention what you are able to meet those criteria, right? This is when you come down. This is the client history, like what are the various projects the client awarded on this platform. This is like some of the development projects, right? So like that way, we know like this is a genuine client, right? So this is like more than 6 months. This is hourly project, right? And we can also get some simple projects. So let's say here, so this is a simple $60 project which test WordPress websites. So basically, somebody who tests WordPress websites on an ongoing basis. So this is a simple testing process. So basically, test site design and functionality. We need to test website, compare the software design to final site, open and verify bugs, and should be familiar with WordPress admin. Right? Must be available on Skype daily and respond quickly, fluent English, and also they mention like write QA at the start of your bid to be considered for this position. So they're going to pay fixed for website, approximately 10 pages, and price is $60. So each website they're going to pay $60. So they are asking some questions. So you need to answer questions. So when you are trying to apply, you need to fill those questions. Let's say you want to submit a proposal. Click submit proposal. Right. So you're applying as a freelancer, right? Uh, so this is the entry level position. So this is a fixed price project, and you can mention this is $60. So how long this project, you can say, suppose this is 10 pages, maybe you can say like less than a month. You can put your cover letter, right? Give sample cover letters. And here they are asking a couple of questions, right? So describe your QA experience, website testing experience. You can put some experience here. Are you familiar with WordPress admin, right? What is your availability? Are you able to open PSD files in order to compare the design to the actual website? Approximately how many hours it will take for a 10-page website. Like suppose we are testing a 10-page website, how long it will take to verify it, right? So you need to write your test cases, you need to execute them, maybe you need to test on different browsers, right? You need to compare the original design files to the website look. So all those factors you need to take into consideration before submitting this proposal. Right? The same process repeats. Suppose if you are getting confused in the beginning, apply for smaller jobs first. So look like entry level. So you can also say like fixed bid, projects which are simple. So this is like a $5 project, $5 budget testing sign up process for naughtydingo.com, right? So it's basically gave like a simple instructions what to test and what browser to use. This is a simple one-time application, so you can sign up, so you can easily build your profile using these simple jobs, right? So suppose if you have an Android phone, this is a skill Android mobile testing in Mexico, Android testing in Qatar, Thailand. So it's basically specific to particular country. So 5 minutes iOS app testing. If you have iOS 4, so business with a running website needed testing. So this is the Indian project, Indian client, right? So I give like is going to hire 10 freelancers. So to rate our business on user experience requirements, so you must have a running website with administrator right to use it. Okay, this requires some website. Sorry, you don't have that. So some people to need it to test the website, right? Is going to hire some 4 freelancers. You give like $25 fixed price, right? Test the website playing 5 to 10 minutes, then you'll ask 3 short questions about your experience playing. Finally, you'll pay it for your time. So this is some simple task anyway. So you can search for these things and apply for the matching ones, right? Software testing of web and mobile applications. So read the requirements and if you think you can do this, apply it. So in the beginning, it will take some time. Maybe give like at least 1 or 2 months before before you get some jobs and all. So you keep applying daily and apply for small ones. So once you start hitting jobs, so like you can start building your profile and get started. Similarly, you can do apply on freelancer.com. So this is the freelancer.com website. So same thing, you can do sign up and you can browse for QA jobs. Right? You can search for QA jobs anywhere. Online job, right? So some of the testing jobs will be there. Similarly, Freelancer. This is another platform. Right? You can find jobs and sign up again here and search for QA or testing. So game or website testing conversion, need automation tester, right? Software engineer with experience in full stack development, software quality assurance tester for mobile application, like that, right? You can search for it. You can also do like Fiverr. That's another popular freelancing website. Right here, so you can just look at this and understand how you can do this freelancing. Right. So initially, maybe you can concentrate on 1 or 2 websites for freelancing. Later on, you can let's do software testing. So here you see, you can says like you can do software testing for like so and so, 500 rupees, software testing for 300 rupees, and like starting job. So you can just list your services, and people will call you will provide you with the requirement, right? This is how you get started with freelancing. So you can first create your profiles, search for jobs, start applying, and let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to know more, we can have a session, but go through this video and understand how the freelancing works.